Tips to buy a swing machine. When it comes to purchasing a new swing machine, it's important to consider the features that are important to you, such as the type of machine, the number of stitches it offers, the ease of use and maintenance, and the price. You can find information about different swing machines by reading online reviews, consulting with experienced sewers, or visiting a swing machine shop and trying out different models. You can also check with manufacturers or visit their website to see if they have any authorized dealers in your area and compare the prices of their machines. Additionally, you could check local classifieds or online marketplaces to find swing machines for sale in your area. It's also important to keep in mind that sometimes the cheapest option may not be the best choice in the long run. It's important to consider the quality of the machine and the after-sales service.